Hey Sarah, good afternoon. Donovan here at Haney Toyota. Figured I'd send you a quick video on how to reset your maintenance light. No worries. As I've discussed in the email, it wasn't populated because you weren't at the actual mileage due yet, but it was based on, your service was based on time, 6 months or 5,000 miles. So very easy. So I'll flip the screen around here and show you how to do that. Hey Sarah, good afternoon. Here's a 2024 Camry, very similar dash setup to yours. So what you're gonna wanna do, if it's not on the home screen already, just push your back arrow here. You should get a home screen like this. I'll zoom in a little bit. You're gonna be using this D-pad here. So I'll zoom in so you can see. So we're gonna scroll down to this setting here. Looks like a little gear icon. We're gonna scroll over. Right here to the car settings, hold the OK button in the middle. We're gonna scroll down, scheduled maintenance, and then reset data and hold OK. So I'm holding OK here with my thumb, and you're populating on yes. We'll hold down OK. I'm not gonna do it because this car doesn't need it, but basically hold down reset and it will reset your maintenance light for you. Any questions? Let me know. My direct line, 802-528-2204, or dealerfave@handycars.com. Thanks, Sarah.